Welcome back, guys. Xavier here with some more training. Guys, today I'm going to actually show you how to create a link, a tracking link with Click Magick. All right, and it's very simple. What you would do is you would click on links. Once you do that, you go over here to the right in this really small font right here. It says create new link. This is why I'm making the video, guys. If you're new to this, you could kind of get lost around the back office. So, let that load a little bit because I can't click on it until it finishes up. Okay. So now we're going to click on that. Guys, first of all, I already copied the link I'm going to use. I'm going to paste it right here, and it's basically my Click Delivery referral link. All right. So link name, you just want to name it something. You want to name it something that you're going to basically remember. So, for example, I'm going to put Click Delivery. Oops. Okay. I'll put Click Delivery tracker link. Okay. Or I'm gonna put AF link. That way I know it's my affiliate link I'm tracking. All right. So Click Delivery AF link. All right. Over here, guys, after the /, we're just gonna put whatever we want. I'm gonna put a CD AF link, right? That way it's a reminder to myself what I'm actually tracking. Now over here, guys, you have a choice whether you want to cloak the link or not. I always highly recommend you cloak the link because, as it says here, it'll just track the redirect. All right. So we're gonna click yes, and then there's gonna be additional information on here. Now, typically under page description, I leave it blank. Page image URL, I leave it blank. Same thing with the page title. It's kind of unnecessary, just extra features. All right. Now, there is a show in advanced settings, which I'm going to show you. Right. I'm going to break it down to you. All right. A second. Now here, guys, it's self-explanatory. It kind of explains to you what you could tick off. Magic bar here is just basically if you want to add different things to it, which I don't have set up. Oh, I actually do. I could set up a pop-up right now, which will happen is if I set up, I've created pop-ups. And what it basically does is Magic bar is basically this section. Like, let's say I'm showing the potential customer a website, right? And I select one of these things from the drop down that I have here, like, for example, CB Online Surveys, which is a ClickBank product, right? What will happen is that the viewer will land on my offer. And when he goes to click away, he'll get a pop-up with my ClickBank survey offer, okay? So I'm activating a pop-up to show up. That way I make my chances even greater on making a sale, right? Now here you could put the traffic cost. You can target all countries or specific countries, what you may call it. And this stuff is great, guys, because if you wanted to target like a Spanish audience, for example, let's say your offer is in Spanish, right? This feature right here, the geo targeting, if your offer is in Spanish, you could just target Latin American countries, or Spain, obviously, and you could just target Latin speaking countries, Spanish speaking countries. I'm sorry, and you can exclude any other country. All right, or what you can do is you can what you could do is you can make two websites. You can make one in English, one in Spanish, and you can show the Spanish one uh, when it detects the IP address and detects that it's someone from Latin America. It'll kick in and it'll redirect you. It'll redirect that person to the Spanish website. And if they detect it's from an English speaking country, it'll redirect them to the English speaking country. If it's Germany or Austria, it'll basically take them to your German website. You can break it all down here. That way, you're not wasting any clicks. You're not sending a viewer who can't speak or understand English to an English offer. So this is just making it 100% fail proof. All right, backup URL, guys, is like, for example, if something happened, if you're let's say your offer link goes down. You know how these websites sometimes have problems with their servers and they show a 404 error. Well, if for any reason your link that you have right now that you're advertising, which you saw that it was my my click delivery offer, if for any reason they go down, their system goes down, it'll redirect the ongoing traffic to my backup URL. So I'm not wasting any clicks whatsoever. So ClickMagick is very efficient on saving clicks as much as possible, so you don't waste clicks whatsoever. All right, you just have to know how to set it up. Now, mobile URL, it's basically if it detects that it's coming from a mobile feature, it'll send. You could create a landing page specifically for people on mobiles. It'll redirect all mobile traffic to that URL that you select. Once again, making it highly targeted. All right. Repeat URL, pixel code. This is where the tracking would go into. If you wanted to set up a password to basically check out stats and everything on this particular link. That's basically all the stuff the advanced feature could do. But if you're not going to mess around with that stuff, guys, we'll scroll back up to the top, and then scroll down to where it says create link, and then we're just going to create link. So when that happens, here it is right here. All we'll do is we'll click on the link we created on the link name. Once it's done loading, sorry, my internet's kind of slow today, guys. So we'll click on it. And once we click on it, you'll see a drop down, which it's still loading. All right. Now this tracking link, this is what we're going to use, guys. All right. We're going to copy this, and this is what we're going to use, and this is what we're going to want to give a solo ad vendor, or if you're making like a YouTube video and you put like your link in the description, this is what you want to put in the description, guys, because this is going to tell you what country the person came from, what time, what IP address, if you're actually getting unique clicks, or TC, which basically I think it stands for total clicks. Is basically TC stands for basically unique clicks and also repetitive clicks. The same people who have clicked on the same link. You want to concentrate more on unique clicks, but like I said, you'll be able to know if you're actually getting traffic to your offer with Click Magick. So yeah, guys. It keeps count of how many clicks you're actually getting, etc. But anyway, guys, that's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one.